Hi guys, my name is Luca from Splashy, and today I'm going to show you how to change your wallpapers quickly with Splashy using shortcuts. But first, what's a shortcut? Well, it is a cool new feature from Apple that they introduced in iOS 14.4, and it's a quick way to get one or more tasks done with your apps. So let's go and set this up. As you can see, our tutorial has 4 quick steps. Now the first 2 steps are about setting up shortcut rules that will allow you to run the set new wallpaper shortcut from Splashy. The step number 1 is to just run any of the shortcuts. So if you've ever done this before, you don't have to do this, you can skip this step, but if you haven't, please follow along. Now I'll open the shortcuts app and set one up. I'll go to the all shortcuts and check out the gallery. Now I can pick any of these starter shortcuts, but what I'm going to do is choose what's a shortcut, as it's quick and simple. I'll add it, and now I'm going to run it. You don't have to choose any of this. After you tap to run it, you can just tap anywhere to close this. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, awesome. Let's go back to the app. We successfully finished step number 1, so let's move to the second step. Well, it is about allowing untrusted shortcuts. Now guys, I know this seems a bit scary, but don't worry, Apple requires this for all third-party apps, and that also includes Splashy. So what we need to do is go to the settings app, and let's go to the search bar and let's tap shortcuts. Let's find the shortcuts app here. Okay, and tap on the allow untrusted shortcuts. Now if this doesn't work, that means that you haven't successfully completed step number 1, so please go back to the shortcuts app and run any of the suggested shortcuts. Let's do this. Okay, cool, we enabled untrusted shortcuts. Awesome, let's now move back to the app. We've finished the step number 2, and let's move to the step number 3. Now the tough part is behind us, so let's finish this up. For the third step, just tap on the install Splashy shortcut. Let's give it some time. Okay, perfect. Let's scroll to the bottom, and as you can see, a big scary red button, but don't worry, nothing bad will happen if you tap on it, so let's just do this. Perfect, we can see the set new wallpaper shortcut. So let's go back to the app. Awesome, now the only thing that's left is to run it. Let's see what happens. Yeah, now the Apple will ask you a couple of permissions, so just tap OK. And let's wait a few seconds. Yay, we got a new wallpaper. Let's check it out. Cool. Now you can also automate this, but we'll do this in some other video. So let's tap on not now. Okay, what we can do with this is let's just tap on the magic Splashy button and see what happens. The shortcut is running and we got a new wallpaper. Let's check it out. Perfect. Now what you can also do is select any photo that you like. For example, I like balloons, so let's go here, and also the Splashy button. The shortcut is running, and what should happen is that we should have a nice wallpaper with balloons. Great. And that's it for this tutorial. In another video we'll go through some cool tips and tricks on how you can make this even easier, and until then, stay splashy.